Hello guys, I'm here again in this channel after a very long time. I know I don't post very often because I don't have a lot of time to take videos and edit, and it's kind of boring to be honest, but hey, we're still at home, and here in Greece this week has been horrible with the heat and everything, so I'm here to do a haul, another haul. So as you can see, I'm wearing a wig. I don't know if I dig this hairstyle. I don't think brown suits me very much. But I'm wearing a wig because this is a wig haul. So I just received this package. I'm super excited. From Shein. I don't know. With a few wigs that I ordered recently, the shipping was super fast. I bought like 5 wigs and we are here to unbox them, and I'll give you my honest review about them. I've got my scissors, of course, so let me do the first snip. It's gonna be, okay, I've got a lot of wigs. I'm in love. Okay, so as I said, I bought 5 wigs. This is the last one I picked, so we'll open this one first. They're all very well packaged from what I can see. Let me take this out. Okay, let me take this. There is a little bit of paper. Let's see. So this is a blue kind of wavy one. It's a bit long. Honestly, this looks really good quality. So I don't know if you can see, it's not shiny at all. It's like nice length. I'm actually really impressed with this wig. I got it because I just like the blue color. Just that. Very nice wig. So I'm gonna leave them here and we will go on to the next one. Let's see. This is a reddish one. It was purple on the pictures on the side. This is my second time ordering from Shein. I didn't have any issues on the first order. I ordered a swimsuit and an iPad case. But I love this. I don't know if you guys can see it. The quality of this is amazing. So it's like a bit red, more red. It was like more purple-ish on the side. But oh my god, this wig is so full. It's so nice. And it's not shiny at all. This is what it looks like, an actual wig. Like actual hair. It's not like the best quality like other wigs or whatever, but it's very good for the price, and it came like pretty fast. So if you want to use them for cosplay, which this is what I got them for, you're gonna get them here in only a few days, because they have like, I think, a stock in Bulgaria and in the Netherlands, I think, or something like that. So the next one I bought gave me Howl vibes from Howl's Moving Castle and a little bit of Berserk. I bought this short grey wavy one. Again, the quality of this is immaculate. I love this. Look at this. I got a similar one that was blonde, but I mean, look at this. This looks great. It's wavy. It's really nice. I love this, actually. This is amazing. I'm already amazed for all of this. The price, the quality, everything, it's so good. On to the next one. So this was similar, like the blue one, I got it. It was just like a little bit different. So let me check this one out as well. Oh my god. This one's a little bit tangled. Let's open it up. Okay. Let's see, this one is a little bit tangled. Okay, this one actually looked better in the pictures than it actually does in person. I don't know, maybe it's because of the waves, of the curl waves. Okay, this one looks a little bit messy. I'm not really liking like the finishing. It looks like it's a little bit burned. The curls are not actual curls. This is gonna, like, I mean, it's a nice wig still, but the end, it looks like it's a little bit damaged or used. I'm going to give this a good wash and then comb it out and see how this one will turn. This is probably my least favorite so far. Okay, and let's see. I also bought a very basic brown one because I was like, you know, this could do for Uraraka. Sorry for the noise, guys. I'm not gonna edit any of this, as always. You know, I mean, you can never have enough browns. And honestly, my browns were a little bit damaged, so I had to buy a brown one. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. This is a little bit longer than I expected, but still, it looks kind of good. It looks pretty good. Yeah, so it's actually, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's very flowy, it's very natural. Oh my god. It's very, 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 very natural. I really like this. So I think I should do like a try on. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going from the last to the first. Do I love this? I do. I really like this. This looks extra natural and extra nice. I don't know. I'm kind of taking the hairstyle, I guess. But it feels great, super light, and it feels natural. That's all I have to say. Back on another wig. We've got this one. Of course, I didn't have the time to wash it. I just tried it out. It's a little bit chunky in some areas. Tried to open it up a bit. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? It looks good on camera, but it actually, I don't know. I'm really confused about this one. Like, I'm still trying to open it up. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, right off the bat, I knew this is my style. I know it. The bangs are a little bit long, but you know, nothing you cannot cut. I don't know if it's the top that makes matching, but I'm in love with this one. I'm digging myself. I'm feeling like a little bit of a Lolita. I'm like, you know, Howl moving castle. I'm loving this one. I honestly love this, and imagine that I got this because I haven't talked about the prices at all. I got this one for €4. €4. 4. I mean, if this is not worth it, it's cheaper than AliExpress. I don't know what is. I'm just loving this one. So, am I loving this wig? Yes. Do I feel like the fire temptress that I am? Also yes. Do I love this? 100%. Did I mention the price? €4 as well. I don't know what to say. Okay. I left, apparently, the best for last. Do I feel like a magical mermaid that came out of the sea foam? You know, living my dream as a Poseidon's nymph? Yes, 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 100% yes. Do I love this? Yes. I mean, look at this. Look at this. It's amazing. The quality is amazing, guys. I'm feeling myself. Look at the waves, look at the curls, no shine, no nothing, not even need for a styling. This was looking like 100 times worse from the photos. Up close, it looks amazing. I'm just in love with this. I'm in love. Shein Wig haul was the success, 100%. Do I suggest that you guys go and get wigs for cosplay or personal things are just going out, you know, they look kind of natural, maybe not this one, but you know, if you go for the more basic tones, yes, like browns and blondes, they have, but I didn't get because I already have blonde hair and I mostly needed all of these for cosplays. Do I suggest it? 100% yes. Can you find codes? All the time. You can download many platforms, you can have a discount, and they do have free shipping over 19 euros. So that's it from our little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a small video, and I hopefully will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope this was helpful.